Hi guys, it's Formless4 again. I am going to teach you how to use functions. Functions are going to be used in almost every program. I can guarantee you that 9 out of 10 of the programs that you will write, if you do get good enough in VB.NET, will use at least one function. So let's make a new project. I'm going to call this one Function Tutorial. You might want to save this one too. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create one button. Well, that was pretty messed up. Let's try that again. There we go. We're going to create one button. We're going to change its text name to create sentence. As you can see, I have to resize the button. There we go. And then we're going to make a text box. And I'm going to use something new here. I'm going to create a label. The label is just it's just a little label. We're going to put it right there. Let's resize the form. Now, label, I'm going to change its text to blank. It's going to be completely blank. I'm also going to scroll to the top and change its control name to sentence. I'm going to go to the text box, and I'm also going to change its control name to Word. We're going to double click our button, as I'm not changing its name. I don't need to change its name. We're going to leave the button one click event empty right now. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in function. This is going to be, that's the very first line of a function. This is what's going to start it. We need to have a name for the function. I'm going to call mine create sentence. Then you need to put a left parentheses because all functions will require some sort of input for it. So the input is by val, which means by value. The value can be any made-up name. It's like, for instance, by val word. I'm going to put in a word. As a string. Word will come in as a string. And the function will require to be formatted as a string. Is it? Huh. Okay. Now, we're going to need one variable in here. Define dim sentence as a string, which is equal to the word you have input is, that's where it cuts off. That is what we're going to have this function do. The function is going to add on the word. So, to do that, we're going to type in an and symbol, an ampersand for those, word. The reason why it's word is because that is what the function requires. It's one of the values that it requires. We're going to put another and. We're going to do a quote and a period. So that way there's a period after the word. And then we're going to have the function return the value sentence. So whatever the sentence is, it's going to return it. Basically, we're going to give it the word, and it's going to give us back the sentence. So when we click the button, we're going to make the sentence. If you remember, I made the label earlier called sentence.text equals the function create sentence with the word coming from the word.text box. If all goes well, I can type in a word here, create sentence. The word you have inputted is potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. See? That right there is a very basic function. I am Formless4 here, and I will see you in my next tutorial.